Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XDC from your Tangem wallet to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your XDC safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Tangem wallet with your XDC tokens, a verified account on Bitrue, and a stable internet connection. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that your devices are secure and you're in a private environment. Step 1. Open the Tangem Wallet app on your smartphone or computer. If you haven't already, connect your Tangem hardware wallet to ensure all your assets are accessible. This is where your XDC is stored, so take a moment to verify the balance. Step 2. In the Tangem app, navigate to your XDC holdings. Select the amount you want to withdraw. Be precise. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so only withdraw what you need. Step 3. Head over to your Bitrue account on their website or app. Go to the deposit section for XDC. Copy the deposit address carefully. In 2025, make sure it's set to the correct network, like the Shinfin mainnet, to avoid any errors. Step 4. Back in the Tangem app, paste the Bitrue deposit address into the To field. If Bitrue requires a memo or tag, enter that too. Double-check everything to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including the amount and any fees. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction on your Tangem device. You'll likely need to approve it via the hardware wallet for added security. Step 6. Sit tight and wait for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. You can track it using a blockchain explorer. A quick word of advice: always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication on both Tangem and Bitrue. If you run into issues, check their support resources or community forums. There you have it. That's how you withdraw XDC from Tangem to Bitrue in 2025. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.